Sri Matre Namasvaya. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be learning slokas from 11 to 15. All these 5 slokas, there is no pada vibhajana. Like I said, every sloka has 2 lines, and both the lines they have to go in one go. You have to recite them in one go. There is no pada vibhajana. But these things could be a little like tongue twisters to few people who are not very much used to like Sanskrit. But these 5 actually are extremely beautiful, and I'll explain why. So yeah, let us start learning. And if you have any suggestions or further improvements or refinements to be made to these tutorials, please let me know. Please put your comments in the comment section, and all suggestions and feedback will be taken into consideration while I'm making these videos. All right, so let's get started with 11th one. Nijatallapa. So la has a dirgha and laut. Nija sapa, they don't have any dirghas. They're all small. Nija sallapa ma. Ma has again a dirgha. Ma akara. Nija sallapa madhurya. Da has a ha kara to it. Nija sallapa madhurya. Ra has a yavutu. Nija sallapa madhurya vinirbhatsita kachapi. Vinirbhatsita. Ra has a ba, Utu, ba tied to it, and then ha is to the ba. Vinirbhatsita, and then there is another re. To that there is a tavatu and savatu. You have to say all this together. Vinirbhatsita kachapi. Cha has a chavatu and ha kara. Vinirbhatsita kachapi. P has a E dirgha. So, Nija sallapa madhurya vidirbhatsita kachapi. Mandasmita prabhapura. Prabhapura. Ba has a A dirgha and Pu has a U dirgha. Mandasmita. Sa has a Ma kara to it. Mandasmita prabhapura majjat kamesa. Ta has a A dirgha and then Kha matra to it. And then me has a dirgha. Majjat kame samanasa. And ja also you have to emphasize. Ja has a javuttu. Majjat kame samanasa. Ma has again a dirgha, a dirgha, and sa also has a dirgha. Okay. Majjat kame samanasa. Nija sallapa madhurya vinirbhatsita kachapi. Mandasmita prabhapura majjat kame samanasa. Okay, moving on to the 12th one. Anakalita. Na has a dirgha. Anakalita sadhrusya. Sa has a dirgha, a dirgha, and da has a ru kara to it, and then ha tied to it. Sadhrusya. It's not sadhrusya. Sadhrusya, and sa has a ya kara. Anakalita sadhrusya chubukasri. Sa has a E dirgha and then a Ra matra. Chubukasri virajita. Ra has a dirgha and Ta has a dirgha. In virajita, VG doesn't have any dirghas. They are small syllables. Ra and Ta, on the other hand, both have dirghas. So, virajita. Anakalita sadhrusya chubukasri virajita. Kamesa. Ka has a dirgha and Ma has a dirgha. Kamesa baddha. Da has a dautu and ha kara. Kamesa baddha. Don't say kamesa baddha. Say baddha. Kamesa baddha mangalya. Ma has a dirgha and also kara. Mangalya. La has a ya kara. Kamesa baddha mangalya su dirgha sutra sobhita. So has a o dirgha. Sutra sobhita. Ba has a ha dirgha. Ha kara or ha matra. Okay. Sutra sobhita kandhara. It's not kandhara. Kandhara. Kamesa baddha mangalya sutra sobhita kandhara. Everything at once. Anakalita sadhrusya chubukasri virajita. Kamesa baddha mangalya sutra sobhita kandhara. Okay, moving on to the 13th one. Kanakangada. Ka na. Both are small syllables. Kang. A dirgha and matra. Kanakangada ke. Ka has a dirgha. Kanakangada ke you. Dirgha. Kanakangada ke yura kamani. Dirgha. Kanakangada ke yura kamaniya bhuja. Dirghanvi. Na is E, small e, there is no dirgha. It's not bhujanvita, it's bhujanvita. It's na, small ni with a vav tu. Bhujanvita. Ta has again dirgha. Kanakangada keyura kamaniya bhujanvita. Ratnagraiveya, ratnagraiveya. So it's ga, small a, and then there is an I matra, and then there is a ra matra. But it's not a big syllable, it's small ge. Ratnagrai. Okay, Ratna. So when you put an a, ra, and I to it, it becomes grai. It's not grai. Okay, Ratnagrai veya. But va has a large a matra. I mean the big a. Ratnagrai veya chintaka, chintaka. Ta has a dirgha. Ratnagraiveya chintaka lo. Lo has a o dirgha. Chintaka lola. La has, so there is kalola. Lo has o dirgha. And then la, kalola. In kalola, la doesn't have any dirghas. It's a small la. Ratnagraiveya chintaka lola mukta. Ka has a dirgha and tautu. Mukta phala. It's not pala, it's phala again. Okay, it's a pa pha babha. It's second pha. Mukta phalanvita. La has a dirgha. Ni is small ni with vautu, and ta has a ta dirgha. Okay, Ratnagraiveya chintaka lola mukta phalanvita. Okay, 13th one once. Kanakangada keyura kamaniya bhujanvita. Ratnagraiveya chintaka lola mukta phalanvita. 14th one. Kameswara. Ka has a dirgha and ma has a dirgha and sa has a vav. Avatu. Kameswara prema. Pa has a matra, I mean a dirgha and ra matra to it. Premaratna mani. Mani is ana, not na. It's not Premaratna mani. Premaratna mani. Kameswara Premaratna mani. Pratipanastani. Okay, again ni has a dirgha. Kameswara Premaratna mani Pratipanastani. Nabhya lavala. Nabhya. Dirgha. Nabhya ba. All these three have dirghas. But last doesn't have. In Nabhyala Vala, there are two las, and none of those have any dirghas. Nabhyala Vala Romali. Ro has a O dirgha. Ma has a A dirgha. Nabhyala Vala Romali Lata. Ta has a A dirgha again. Nabhyala Vala Romali Lata Phala. Here also it's pa, pa, pa. Second pa. It's not pa, it's pa. Nabhyala vala romadi lata phala kuchadvai. He has a dirgha, da has vautu. So let me say 14th at once. Everything in one go. Kameswara prema ratnamani pratipanastani. Nabhyala vala romadi lata phala kuchadvai. Lakshya. 15th one. Lakshya. 15th one. A lot of people, they simply say Lakshya Romalata, Laksha. They don't use the Yavatu. They don't emphasize on that. They don't explicitly say it loud. It's wrong. You have to say Lakshya. Lakshya Romalata Dharata. I really love this sound. Lakshya Ro. Ro has a O matra. And Lakshya Romala. Ma and La are small. No, there are no matras on them. Small syllables. But Ta Dha has dirghas. Ta Dha. And Ra again no dirgha. And again ta has a dirgha. It sounds beautiful. Lakshya Romalata Dharata Samunneya. Na has a dirgha and na uttam. Samunneya Madhyama. Lakshya Romalata Dharata Samunneya Madhyama. Stanabhara. Stanabhara. It's not Stanabhara. Stanabhara. Ba has a ha utu and then akara. Stanabhara dalan madhya. Even da also has that ha sound. You have to emphasize on that. And then ya. Stanabhara dalan madhya patta. Ta has a ta utu. Patta bandha. Da also has a ha sound. Bandhavalitraya. Okay. लक्ष्य रोमलता धारता समुन्नेय मध्यमा स्तन भारदळन् मध्य पट्ट बन्धवनित्रया. Okay, I will recite all 5 at once and then you can follow my recitation. All right. निज सल्लाप माधुर्य विनिर्भत्सित कच्छपि मंदस्मित प्रभापूरमज्जत्कामे समानसा अनाकलित साधुस्य चुबुक श्री विराजिता कामे सबद्ध मांगल्य सूत्र शोभित गंधरा कनकांगद केयूर कमनीय भुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेय चिंता कलोल मुक्ता फलान्विता कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्नमणि प्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमाणि लता फलकुचद्वै लक्ष्य रोमलता धारता समुन्नेय मध्यमा स्तन भारदळन् मध्य पट्ट बन्धवनित्रया. See? No, do it slowly. Really, your mind has to resonate. The sound really has to echo in your mind and in your nervous system. Because those, I call those ups and downs or crests and troughs, in a typical science language, you can literally feel them when you're chanting slowly, nicely. It really heals your nervous system also. And especially the way they composed it. The dirgha, the small syllable followed by a large syllable and then a small syllable and then a large syllable. That really creates such a nice wave. All right. So, again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll be very honest with you guys. I don't know if any of you are watching this still, and if not, please continue to. The goal or the purpose here is not monetization or views or anything. The goal is to spread the learning of Lalita Sahasranamam. So I really, really request you all to share with your near and dear ones. And some people might really get scared to chant Lalita Sahasranamam. There is nothing to scare. She's a goddess. She's a mother. She's a mother of the universe. She will forgive any mistakes that we make. While we are learning this, the chanting. The whole process. It's a journey, and she understands it pretty well. So spread as much as you can. We really want everyone to start chanting Lalita Sahasranamam. So before we conclude, Guru Vandana. Om Shri Vasinyadi Vagdevatabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namah Shivaya. Thank you.